Firewall best practices. Almost all firewall breaches can be attributed to human error rather than technical failure, which is why it's extremely important for IT administrators to follow best practices when configuring their firewalls. But what are those best practices? Make sure these 5 are always on your list. Number 1, deny by default. With firewalls, the fundamental security principle is deny by default, allow by exception. This means the firewall should be configured to block all traffic that is not specifically authorized. Number 2, add a cleanup rule. The cleanup rule, generally last in your rule set, drops all traffic that was not blocked by the previous rules. Although some argue that a cleanup rule is unnecessary, it allows you to log unauthorized access attempts and aids your troubleshooting procedures. Number 3, document your rules. You should maintain up-to-date documentation of all firewall rules. This includes noting the purpose of the rule and which applications, services, or devices it affects. If the rule has an expiration date, that should be included as well. Number 4, simplify rule bases. You should periodically review your rule sets and expunge any redundant or unnecessary rules. Doing so can significantly improve your system performance. Number 5, automate updates. Eliminating manual updates, which often get delayed due to time pressure, will keep your firewall more secure. Questions about firewall best practices? Looking for ways to protect yourself from ransomware attacks? Contact PowerAdmin today for a 30-day free trial by visiting poweradmin.com.